Best RC Helicopters. Are you looking for the best RC helicopters? In this video we will look at 5 of the best RC helicopters on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. The DEERC RC Helicopter is a beginner-friendly remote-controlled helicopter designed for kids aged 8 to 12 and adults alike, blending ease of use with engaging features for a fun flying experience. Operating at 2.4 GHz, it provides a stable and responsive connection, reducing interference and allowing for smooth controls, which is ideal for young users or beginners. Equipped with 2 batteries, the helicopter offers a total of up to 26 minutes of flight time, letting users enjoy extended play sessions without frequent recharging. Key features include an altitude hold function, which allows the helicopter to maintain a steady hover without constant input from the controller. This feature is particularly helpful for new users, as it makes the helicopter easier to control and reduces the risk of crashes. LED lights add to the fun, making it possible to fly the helicopter in low-light conditions and enhancing visibility, which adds excitement and safety during nighttime or indoor use. The helicopter's compact and lightweight design enhances its agility and durability, allowing it to withstand minor bumps during flight. Designed for both indoor and outdoor flying, this model is versatile and offers flexibility in different environments, although it performs best in calm or indoor conditions due to its small size and weight. In terms of control, the DEERC RC Helicopter is intuitive, with user-friendly controls that help young users learn the basics of flying an RC helicopter. It is designed to be a durable and engaging toy that encourages exploration and enhances coordination. With a balance of durability, ease of use, and features suited to beginners, this helicopter makes an enjoyable gift or entry-level flying toy for kids and adults alike. Number 2. This RC helicopter is a versatile and beginner-friendly flying toy designed for both kids and adults, combining user-friendly features with durable construction to provide an enjoyable experience. Operating on a 2.4 GHz frequency, the helicopter offers stable control with minimal interference, ensuring a smooth and responsive flight experience for users of all ages. The helicopter includes an altitude hold function, which automatically maintains a steady hover. This feature simplifies control, allowing beginners to focus on learning basic maneuvering without having to constantly adjust altitude. With its one-key takeoff and landing feature, operating the helicopter is made exceptionally simple, ideal for younger users or those new to remote-controlled flying. This function reduces the chances of rough landings or mishaps, helping to make the helicopter both accessible and reliable. The helicopter is equipped with bright LED lights, enhancing visibility for flying in low-light conditions and adding an exciting visual element during flights, especially at night or indoors. The helicopter's build is lightweight yet durable, designed to withstand minor bumps and crashes typical of beginner use. It's suitable for both indoor and outdoor flying, although it's best used in calm environments for stability. With intuitive controls and stable flight features, it serves as a great tool for learning the basics of flight while providing an engaging toy for recreational play. Overall, this RC helicopter is an ideal option for anyone seeking an affordable, easy-to-operate flying toy. Its combination of altitude hold, LED lights, and one-key takeoff/landing makes it a fun and approachable option, perfect as a gift for children or as an introductory RC helicopter for hobbyists. Number 3. The SYMA RC Helicopter is an easy-to-use remote-controlled aircraft designed for kids aged 8 to 12, making it an ideal gift for both boys and girls. Featuring a 3.5-channel system, this helicopter provides smooth control over flight movements, including forward, backward, left, right, up, and down, giving young pilots a chance to master the basics of flying. The inclusion of a gyro stabilizer ensures stable flight, reducing wobbling and improving overall control, which is especially useful for beginners. One of the standout features of the SYMA RC Helicopter is its altitude hold function. This technology enables the helicopter to maintain a consistent hover at a set height, making it easier for children to control without having to constantly adjust altitude. This feature is particularly beneficial for novice flyers, helping to avoid crashes and providing a more enjoyable flying experience. The helicopter's durable construction makes it suitable for indoor use, as it can withstand minor bumps and crashes. Its lightweight design ensures agility and allows for smooth flights in various indoor environments, such as living rooms or gyms. The simple remote control further adds to its user-friendly nature, allowing kids to learn quickly and enjoy hours of flying fun. Available in a sleek white color, the SYMA RC Helicopter is visually appealing and serves as an excellent gift for young enthusiasts of aviation. Its combination of altitude hold, gyro stabilizer, and responsive controls offers an exciting yet safe flying experience for kids, making it a perfect introduction to the world of remote-controlled aircraft. Number 4. The Cheerwing SYMA S39H RC Helicopter is a large, feature-packed remote-controlled aircraft designed for both kids and adults, offering an exciting flying experience with user-friendly controls. This helicopter comes equipped with an altitude hold feature, which automatically maintains a steady hover, allowing for easier control and smoother flights, especially for beginners. The altitude hold function reduces the need for constant manual adjustments, making it a great tool for learning the basics of RC flight. The SYMA S39H offers two speed modes, high and low, giving users the option to choose between a slower, more controlled flight or a faster, more dynamic experience. This versatility makes it suitable for a wide range of skill levels, from younger pilots just starting out to more experienced RC enthusiasts looking for a challenge. The large size of the helicopter adds to its stability in flight and allows for impressive performance both indoors and outdoors, while its robust build ensures it can handle minor crashes. Additionally, the helicopter includes 2 batteries, extending the total flight time and allowing for more playtime without needing to recharge frequently. This feature is particularly convenient for longer sessions, whether for kids or adults who enjoy continuous flying. With a striking green color, the SYMA S39H RC Helicopter is visually appealing and easy to spot during flight. It's designed to be durable, ensuring longevity through regular use. The intuitive controls, combined with the altitude hold and speed modes, offer a fun, engaging experience for anyone interested in remote-controlled helicopters. Whether as a gift or a hobbyist's toy, the SYMA S39H provides a thrilling and safe flying experience for all ages. Number 5. The RC Helicopter is a versatile and user-friendly remote-controlled toy designed for both kids and adults, making it an ideal choice for boys and girls. With a flight time of up to 30 minutes, thanks to the inclusion of 2 batteries, it offers extended play sessions without the need for frequent recharging. This is especially convenient for young pilots who want to enjoy longer flying periods. Equipped with altitude hold, the helicopter maintains a stable hover, which helps beginners focus on other aspects of flight without worrying about altitude adjustments. This feature makes the helicopter easier to control, improving the overall flying experience, especially for kids who are new to RC flying. The helicopter also boasts 7+1 LED light modes, adding a fun and visually exciting element to each flight. The LED lights enhance visibility, making it possible to fly the helicopter in low-light conditions or at night, adding to the overall enjoyment and providing a unique visual display during flight. Designed for safety and durability, this helicopter is lightweight and built to withstand minor bumps and crashes, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. The intuitive remote control ensures that kids can easily learn how to maneuver the helicopter, providing a smooth and accessible experience. Whether as a gift for young enthusiasts or as an introductory flying toy, this RC helicopter offers a fun, stable, and visually engaging experience. The combination of extended flight time, altitude hold, and multiple LED light modes makes it an exciting and practical option for kids who are eager to explore the world of remote-controlled flying toys.